General Knowledge MCQ. 99 question and answers. Test your knowledge of Indian history. Wall 8. Very useful for those who had history as a subject at graduation level, means who are BA or MA in history. All questions in MCQ objective format. Useful for UPSC, PSC, KVS and other job exams and competitions. Sangam is meant for. Answer C. Assemblies of Tamil scholars. Which one among the following is the oldest stupa? Answer B. Stupa of Piprava. Which of the following text refers Chandragupta Maurya as Grishan? Answer A. Mudrarakshasa. In which of the following council Jainism was divided into two? Answer A. First Jain Council. India for the Indian SWR. Who said? Answer C. Dayanand. Which one of the following is not correct? Answer A. Indian National Congress, Calcutta Session, 1887. Irani system of Sajda was started by. Answer A. Balban. Muhammad Ghori was assassinated by. Answer B. Khokars. Swaraj is my birthright. Who said? Answer A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The first Turkish Sultan to cross Vindhyachal ranges was. Answer C. Alauddin Khilji. Ajanta paintings are related with. Answer D. Buddhism. The author of Anandamath was. Answer A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The author of Poverty and Un-British Rule in India is. Answer B. Dadabhai Naoroji. By which act rule of East India Company ended in India? Answer C. Government of India Act 1858. In which age Brahmanas were inferior than Kshatriyas? Answer D. Post-Mauryan age. How many Pitkas are in Buddhist literature? Answer C. 3. Rana Sanga is related with. Answer D. Mewar. In which month Quit India movement of 1942 started? Answer C. August. Who is the author of Prithviraj Rasu? Answer A. Chanda Bardai. Pandyas were centered in. Answer A. Madurai. During the Mauryan age Bhaga was. Answer D. Hiranya. Who among the following was known as Frontier Gandhi? Answer D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The founder of Gadar party was. Answer C. Lala Hardaya. The name of the committee to inquire Jallianwala Bagh massacre was. Answer B. Hunter Commission. Which court was considered as the highest criminal court of appeal? Answer D. Sadar Nijamat. Which Mughal emperor increased more number of Rajput and Maratha mansabdars in his reign? Answer D. Aurangzeb. In which session Congress demanded Purna Swaraj? Answer D. Lahore Session 1929. Which Mauryan ruler was called Amitraghat by Greek writers? Answer B. Bindusara. Which foreign traveller visited Vijayanagar Empire during 1420? Answer D. Niccolo di Conti. When did Aurangzeb took the title of Alamgir? Answer B. 1659. During the reign of which of the following did Vijayanagar Empire come into existence? Answer B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The term Dastak implies. Answer B. Duty-free trade. When did Akbar abolish the slavery and protected human rights? Answer A. 1582. The author of Indian Mussalmans is? Answer A. W. W. Hunter. Who was the last Governor General and first Viceroy of India? Answer C. Lord Canning. Which session of Indian National Congress was presided by Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer A. Haripura. The statement that the revolt of 1857 was neither the first, nor national, nor war of independence was made by? Answer C. R. C. Majumdar. In the revenue settlement of Todarmal, the land never left fallow was known as? Answer A. Polaj. Nagarjuna Stupa was constructed during the age of? Answer A. Buddha. The ancient name of Assam is? Answer B. Kamma. Which of the following stands for Ikta? Answer B. Crown land donated to army officers. Every Indian is corrupt. Who said? Answer C. Lord Hastings. Vellore Mutiny took place in the year of? Answer B. 1806. Dilwara Temple is the example of? Answer B. Jain architecture. The architect of Taj Mahal belonged to? Answer A. Italy. The central feature of Indian society during 800 to 1200 AD was? Answer B. Liberalism. Ryotwari settlement was started in? Answer A. Madras. The author of Parties and Politics in Mughal Court is? Answer A. Satish Chandra. During the Mughals, change in the architectural style is known as? Answer A. Hindu-Islamic style. Vikramshila University was established by? Answer A. Dharmapal. Who among the following directed to throw bomb on Viceroy Lord Hardinge? Answer B. Rasbhari Bose. The author of Tabqat-i-Nasiri is? Answer A. Minhaj Siraj. During Akbar's reign, the biggest gold coin was called? Answer A. Ilahi. Who among the following directed to throw bomb on Viceroy Lord Hardinge? Answer C. Chandrasekhar Azad. When did Akbar abolish Jizya? Answer B. 1564. Rani Jhansi Regiment is related with? Answer A. Azad Hind Fauj. How many Tirthas, officials, are referred in Arthashastra? Answer C. 18. Jaunpur was established by? Answer D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Agam Siddhant is religious literature of? Answer B. Jainism. The second capital of Gupta ruler Chandragupta II was? Answer A. Ujjain. Which one is related with Mahatma Buddha? Answer C. Shakya. Which one of the following Mauryan rulers was Jana? Answer B. Samprati. During whose regime did Al-Biruni, a scholar of Central Asia, visited India? Answer A. Mahmud Ghaznavi. Chola rulers were followers of? Answer B. Shaivism. During Mauryan age, Avantipat was? Answer C. Western Province. Parmaras were residents of? Answer A. Meva. Brahmanical reaction was responsible for the downfall of the Mauryan Empire. Who said? Answer A. Harprasad Shastri. The grant of Diwani in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha was given to the English East India Company by the treaty in 1765 with? Answer A. Shah Alam II. Vernacular Press Act passed in? Answer B. 1878. During whose regime did Deimos, the Greek ambassador, visited India? Answer B. Bindusar. Who called British economic policy as colonial economy? Answer D. Madan Mohan Malvi. When did separate electorate system was established for Muslims? Answer B. 1909. The statement of Mahatma Gandhi that it was a post-dated show was related to? Answer B. The Cripps Mission. Under which Viceroy's tenure Indian National Congress was formed? Answer A. Lord Dufferin. Fort William was situated in? Answer D. The author of Indian epigraphy is? Answer A. D. C. Sirkar. Where did Britishers establish their first trade center? Answer B. Bombay. Who was Alar Kalam? Answer C. Teacher of Buddha. Which session of the Indian National Congress approved Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Answer A. Karachi session. Which Urdu poet was invited to the second and third round table conference? Answer B. Muhammad Iqbal. The author of Historica is? Answer B. Herodotus. Kalibanga is situated in? Answer C. Rajasthan. With reference to the Swadeshi movement during the Indian freedom struggle, which of the following statement is not correct? Answer C. The Ganpati and Shivaji festival became a medium of the movement. Who among the following was fond of slaves? Answer D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Sravanbelgola is associated with? Answer A. Chandragupta Maurya. Who called Samudragupta Napoleon of India? Answer D. V. A. Smith. Which language was the state language during the Sultanate period? Answer B. Persian. The Hisala system was introduced by Akbar in? Answer B. 1590. Which Mughal emperor introduced Duaspasihaspak method in Mansabdari system? Answer B. Jahangir. Who among the following recognized important role played by women in family and society in his preachings? Answer A. Guru Nanak. The Kalinga War conquered by Ashoka is described in? Answer D. Rock Edict 13. Who was called Dvija? Answer A. Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya. Ibn Battuta, the famous traveller of 14th century, lived in? Answer C. Spain. Nizamuddin Aulia and Nasir Uddin Chirag were? Answer B. Chishti Saint. How many ruling dynasties were there in the Delhi Sultanate? Answer D. 5. Who was the president of Third Buddhist Assembly? Answer D. Mogliputta Tissa. Kharaj was meant by? Answer A. Land tax. Which one of the following Muslim leaders joined the Home Rule League founded by Annie Besant? Answer B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Rolak Act WA passed in? Answer D. 1919.